What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save it. Fractionation signs that indicate she wants to have sex with you. 1. She's physical with you, implying that she'll discover methods for being alluring without truly being tempting. Like, cleaning a bit of nourishment from your jaw, or cleaning some cream on your upper lips with her fingers and after that eating it. Or on the other hand, simply gazing at you enchantingly. 2. She contacts you in personal spots. What's more, no, I didn't mean she'll contact your dick, you perv. No ladies ever going. No. Personal spots are your thighs, behind your ears, neck and even your chest. On the off chance that she contacts you in those zones, regardless of whether incidentally or deliberately, at that point she's flagging that she needs to get physical with you. Another method for contacting you would be with her feet, where she'd energetically rub her feet on yours. 3. She's sitting near you. One of the least demanding signs a lady needs to lay down with you will be her physical vicinity to you. It connotes a specific enthusiastic closeness also. What's more, on the off chance that you feel that in spite of there being a great deal of room alongside you and crosswise over you, despite everything she sit directly by you with essentially no breathing space in the middle of, she's certainly into you. What's more, in the event that you play your cards right, she may even take you home today around evening time. You get complimented regularly. Presently this could be a result of a couple of things. She's truly into you and gives more consideration to you than she typically would. Also, this attempts your endeavors on preparing yourself emerge for her. She needs to compliment you with a goal that you can get used to her and become calm when the subject of sex comes up. Her compliments can likewise be sexual, similar to pleasant ass or decent abs. 5. She giggles at your jokes. Folks, please. You're never as amusing as you might suspect you are, and if she's chuckled at each and every joke you've split, you've struck it rich. That is on the grounds that she's keen on you and wouldn't like to outrage you or give you a blended flag about her emotions towards you. On the off chance that you don't know, at that point feel free to break a joke that you know is faltering. In the event that she giggles at it as well, at that point presently you are sure